Hey, noble ones, welcome to Metatron's Academy. What a day! So today I got something in the mail, and yeah, we're celebrating you. This is, look at this, look at this. So this is directly from YouTube. I've already removed everything so I don't show personal information, but here he is, from YouTube. Still haven't opened it, and I'm quite excited about this. So without further ado, let's open this up. If I was a professional YouTuber, I would have prepared a cutter. A cutter. Haha, got it. Okay, so let's do this. Let me see. How am I gonna do it? I'm gonna do it like this. The microphone is on the way. How about I do it this way? So this, yeah. And we're gonna do this one. Woo! So yeah, from YouTube. Oh yeah, I got one more. One more, you muppet. So now we do this. Boom! Wow! So what do we got? A little protection. Let's go. Ooh, is there anything personal in here? Ooh, wow, it's a letter. I'm gonna read it to you. Congratulations on your. Okay, I'm gonna show you all of this. It's gonna be great. But so we got a little message from YouTube. Lovely. Look at this. And then we got a little card. We'll read this together because again. Me and you, me and you guys. And here it is. Did they spell it right? Yes, good. Here it is. New silver play button, significantly lighter than the other version. Lovely. Yeah, let's unpack it. Recognize your team. They even, wow, now things are different now than they used to be. And this. Super dry. Okay, so here we have it, guys. We did this. Thank you so much for subscribing, by the way. 35,000 people joined the channel just in the last few weeks, so that was wonderful. Little Metatron ASMR. And here it is. Metatron's Academy Silver Play button for 100,000 subscribers. Incredible. Look at this, noble ones. I know it's reflecting the game that I'm playing. Can you guess what game I'm playing? But yeah, Metatron's Academy, ladies and gentlemen, 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for this. It's lovely. It's lovely. Love it. Now, I also have the other silver play button, the one that I got for the other channel that I have, the one about history. But before we'll do a little comparison because they are very different. They are very different. Still very happy. This is great. They're very different. But before we do that, let's read the letter for you and me. Well, first and foremost, what does this say? This says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored, spelled the American way, to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Hey, Rick. But thank you so much, Rick. I really appreciate that. Rick is the man. Can we say thank you to Rick? Massive thank you to Rick. Massive thank you to Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at blah, blah, blah. Okay, I was going to read Secret Society. Society Awards. Thank you very much, Rick. You're the man. Now, let's read the letter. And then we do the comparison. Okay, what does the letter say? Let's read the letter like this. Splendid. Do you remember your first subscriber? You're 100th? I think my first subscriber must have been my mum, to be honest. Probably either my mum or my friend Salvo. Or your 1000th subscriber. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. Yeah, you know what? For those of you who are watching this video and you still haven't clicked away, I appreciate that, by the way, let us know. Let us in tomato. Let us know how you found the channel. Was it recommended? Were you looking for something? I could be actually curious. I'll do a little bit of a data analysis, do a little statistical research on it. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Thank you so much. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, working on it on the other channel, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, it's nice, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Well, it was very nice, lovely little letter. I like it very much. I think it's well made. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now what else we've got? We've got this. What does it say? What does it say? Recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. Yeah, to purchase authorized copies of your creator award, email society award. Lovely. I love that. Fantastic. Okay, guys. So, since I do love doing comparisons, let's compare it to the other version of the silver play button that I received probably like 7 years ago on the historical channel. History channel? Not history channel. Not history, not that one. No aliens involved. But let's have a look. That I know of, at least. You never know these days.
Am I right? Reptilian.
Okay, apart from the reptilians, this is what the YouTube play button used to look like. This is how it used to be. And this is how it's now. 7 years of difference, I guess. So, excuse me, microphone. Yeah, so. Very different. Now, I'll tell you this much. Of course, I mean, this is more expensive. It's a lot heavier. They're both, I think, based on zinc. It's not like they gave us silver. What did you expect? I think they're zinc-based, both of them, at least this one. So, when it comes to the play button itself, I like it more this way. Like the actual silver play button, rather than this one. Other than, again, the mirror polish is kind of nice too. I like it. When it comes to the framing and the size, believe it or not, I kind of like this one. This one came with a glass though. So, I mean, I don't know. I guess it's nice that I got both. Which one do you guys like the most? Well, let me know. I'm going to put this one back where it was, and then I'm going to put this one on top, I suppose. Yeah, I guess I'll figure it out. But yeah, do let me know in the comments which one of the two is the one you like the most. And regardless, I think this is what you're going to get anyways. But yeah, wow, they changed. Metatron and Metatron's Academy. Now we need one for Metatron's Protectorate, the gaming channel. Link in the description. Come on, make it happen. I need my third silver play button. Don't be a muppet. So, let me tell you a little bit about this. So, I think the video that actually did do this was my recent video where I began a new series. I want to show you very quickly. We're going to do a little bit of then I'll tell you more about the story of this channel. Why not? Let's do it. We do need to cross that 8 minutes threshold, don't we? So, right now we sit at 112,000 subscribers. I have to say, they shipped it very quickly, because as soon as I hit 100,000, I asked for the assessment of the channel, which is what you do. You have to ask for them to check, and then once they check and say, yes, you qualify, you request it, give them your address, and then they send it to you. So, a 290 videos journey. So as a general, yeah, it took them 12,000 subscribers to reach, but then again, the growth has been very fast. It took 290 videos. That's, I mean, not too bad, I'll have to say, for 100,000 subscribers. I know there are channels out there that they do like 15 videos and get 100,000. I get it, but that's not me. So for me, I'm happy that it took 290 uploads. Let's go to the videos and let's see. So the video that did do it mostly was my new series that I began 2 weeks ago. And it's this one here, recording of people from the 1800s are mind-blowing, and it's me doing an accent analysis of these old school videos. It was a lot of fun, by the way, among other things. And this one went viral and got 1.6 million views. But then, after this, due to a new flow of subscribers, thank you so much for joining, by the way, and then the other videos started to get really good views. I mean, 380,000, 44, 43, 51. These are views that I would consider good for my main channel, which has a lot more subscribers right now. So yeah, no, I'm happy with this. So this is really what did it. It kind of pushed up the threshold of average views. How long did it take? Let me see. When I go into studio, the date of the first upload is this one. So 2023. It took 2 years. But do keep in mind that at first, I wasn't going all in. It was a little bit of a side project. So I was like posting every once in a while. As you see here, like 3 days. I wasn't a daily uploader at first. And then for decent amount of time, I started a series about that actually kicked it up in subscribers. which was this series here with the flags, these videos started doing really well, as you can see with the views here. So these videos really helped the growth. All of these, can an Italian understand, Italian man, can an Italian understand, like all of these, I made a lot of these in a row, and they're all on daily. So this helped a lot pushing up the subscribers and views. And then there was a time when I stopped posting on this channel because I was trying to give priority to the main channel. And then so this is a little bit of a resurrected channel because I brought it back after quite a few months because I switched to daily on the main channel, which required a lot of production effort. And so the channel kind of was left to die. Then I repurposed it and I started posting a lot all the way up to about 2 months ago, when then I stopped. By then, the channel had reached 80,000 subscribers, but then it was abandoned again for a few weeks, or maybe a full month without uploading. And then I thought, hey, I feel bad about leaving the channel, and that's because I was doing a lot of live streams. So, you know, it's kind of a time allocation situation, kind of a Tetris. But I felt bad because I'm like, man, I really liked this side channel. We did hit 80,000 subscribers, and at the time it wasn't making a lot of money, so it was difficult to justify a lot of production behind it, mostly because of time allocation in this case, since this is mostly my work, whereas the main channel I work with a team that helps him with research, but this one is just me. And so but then again I felt bad, so about 2 weeks ago I started to post daily again, and on the 6th upload the video went viral. And all of this happened. So I'm happy to say that thank you so much, by the way, for still sticking around, regardless of all the ups and downs of the channel. And 100% I'm going to continue posting daily on this channel for the foreseeable future. And hopefully, I've been trying to step up the production quality as well. I got a couple of interesting linguistic documentaries that will be posted. But in general, still a very easygoing channel. We're here to enjoy positive aspects of language learning, and really any video that I find as well that is interesting, we do analysis, and then we cover a little bit of news. As you can see here, we did the Duolingo news, so we do that as well. We'll continue like this. We'll do a tiny little bit of historical linguistics. We do a little bit of pronunciation. We have a little bit of fun facts with, like, you know, Japanese stuff occasionally. Those don't do very well, but that's fine. We still do it for fun. And yeah, this is Metatron's Academy. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing to Metatron's Academy and for helping me hit 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully the growth continues like this. And then right now we have like 35,000 people a month as growth. I don't know if it's going to continue like that or if it's going to go down. But hey, if it continues, why not? Let's go. Let's hit 200K. And as I was saying, if you're not aware, I have a third channel which now hit 14,000 subscribers and 250 videos. It's a lot of fun. It's all about gaming. So if you are into retro tech, gaming, and generally speaking, nostalgia, hobbies, passion projects, and all that kind of stuff, please do check this channel out. I'll put a link in the description and in a pinned comment. And this is Outrun, and it's great. And also we do collaboration with the wife. Here she is. She's adorable. So we do collaborations together with my wife, and we play games together. It's a really, really nice family-friendly channel that I think people can enjoy if you have passions that go back to the 80s, the 90s, the 70s, in fact, sometimes. So yeah, there is this too. Thank you very much, noble ones, for joining Metatron's Academy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Here he is again.